hapon na ami karon sa Balbacuan sa Guizo diri sa SRP sa Talisay. Nga karon man hapon mig sayo, so ang among sudan mao ni this is the Lansiao. It's made of cows sexual organs and testicles. This is the Balbacua made of the legs and kaniyang skin, very cooked stewed and the fatty portion of the legs of the cow. And of course, the Paklay, the innards, beef innards, and Cebuano's Humba, leg Humba. So it's Humba. It's like braised pork, pork leg. Yeah. So done the Chinese style. And of course, ginamos as our appetizer. So anchovies with local chili. So this is gonna be our early dinner, and you have to try it when you're in Cebu. You have to try out the local dishes that you can find here in Balbacua sa Guizo.